On July 31st, 2024, Walmart loss prevention in Mountain Home, Arkansas, spotted a man acting just suspicious enough to catch their eye. After watching him move quickly through the store, they believed he walked out with something he never paid for. What began as simple theft would lead to the parking lot, where a shirt change, a walk toward a nearby gas station, and a call to the police set everything in motion. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Stating that he's walking across Road 5 right now, possibly heading towards the gas station.
10-4. Let's take a look at him up in the parking lot here. 46, I'll be out with him.
Yeah, she just has to be right.
Get in front of my car. Stand in front of my car. Got any weapons on you at all?
I have a vape and it's on my back. That's it.
Okay, that's it. No guns, no knives. Put your hands behind your back. Look straight forward. Just listen to what I'm telling you. Okay? You ain't done nothing wrong. Everything will be fine, okay? Can I go in and get it?
You can go.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. All right. Let's put this up here.
And the other pocket has a phone.
Okay. All right. Nothing else, right? All right. Yeah. So,
I was going over to a friend's house, but he wasn't there.
okay, so this is why I'm here. I got a report that you stole something from the store, okay? What did you take from the store?
Yeah, he said that I stole a cologne. I didn't take it. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I was going to take it.
Okay.
I walked out without it, though.
Okay.
All right? Oh, yeah. We're done.
saw me and you did stick.
Yeah, you can go over there and look. I promise you, I didn't walk out with it at all.
What's your name?
My name's Austin Latour. I'm on probation, which is kind of, I'm not going to lie, why I left. As soon as she was
What
like,
are you probation
What-
for?
no. It's for a DUI.
How do you spell your last name, Austin?
LATOUR.
What's your date of birth?
12/27/2004.
12/27 what?
2004. But I didn't take it.
Okay.
She said I did, and then I just kept walking, and then she's like, all right, calling the cops. I was like, okay. And then I was going to go over to a buddy's house, and he wasn't home.
Okay.
He believes it belongs to his neighbor.
Yeah.
Well, mentioned so you didn't have it on him.
Yeah,
What's the difference?
and see what she says, because
Trespass him or something.
yeah, we can probably just trespass him. I mean, worst case scenario, I could write him a stupid ticket for having that damn vape in his pocket. You know, he's 19, he's 21. I mean, I don't.
Good luck with that, man.
I really don't even want to do that, honestly. If we can just trespass him, that would probably be good.
Okay, I'll go see.
All right. Just hang out in front of the car.
Okay.
Who's your probation officer?
Back here. I have the money, even if they want to say I can pay you all the money.
Just stand up in front of the car there. If you didn't take it, why do you have to pay for it?
I'm more just scared of going to jail. And
Okay.
because I'm not, I took it out of the box. I do not know where in the store I put it.
Okay.
I did not know she was even following me either. She caught me as I was walking out, and she was like, you took something. I was like, I didn't take it. And then she's like,
Where did you leave it?
I couldn't tell you, honestly. It's in the store somewhere. I went through multiple aisles because I was going to take it, and then I came to my consensus on it. I was like, I'm fresh out of jail. I don't need to do stupid shit like this. Sorry.
What's your address?
I don't have a home address. I bounce between people's couches.
Okay. So
I can take y'all to my truck even that I've been in that's driving me around. You won't find it in there either.
you're gonna have to change something in your life, bro.
I know. I'm working on it. That's the reason why I didn't walk out with it.
Yeah, but I'm looking on.
I know.
I'm looking on this computer and I see all kinds of crap. You're too young to have all that stuff.
I've been
going
on the straight and narrow here recently. I just had my PO meeting today. I've been clean and all that stuff. They're gonna have to search the truck even and show that I didn't walk out or put it in the truck or anything like that. Can we drive over there so I can at least tell them you can look?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait until we get an answer from the store, and then we'll go from there. You got a job, anything like
I
that?
have a job. I work at KFC.
Okay. Well, that's good. That's a good start. Because what I see all that junk on that computer right there, that's horrible, man.
I've been working on paying off my fines and everything.
Bro, you're 19. You're too young for all that.
I just put $50 in the fines today. Been being clean. Haven't been doing any drugs.
That's good.
Fully off those. If they want to trespass me, I'll sign the papers and everything. It's just, as soon as she was like, I'm calling the cops, I was like, I'm not supposed to have interaction with cops. I'm just going to leave them.
So we're gonna wait till we get an answer from them,
All right.
and we'll see what happens here. 31. You 10-9 that last. All right. Put your hands on your back.
Am I being arrested?
I don't know yet. Put your palms together. I don't know whether you're going to be arrested or not. We're going to find out here in a minute, okay? We're just going to hang out here until we can figure it all out. You know Beard's phone number?
I do not know his phone number.
Okay.
Well, it's the first person I'm calling tomorrow morning.
Yep, you're gonna have to now because you got contact with us, right?
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna hang tight. We're gonna see what he comes up with. If he finds anything, then we'll go from there.
Yeah, I know.
I want to have a seat with me in the back of the car. I don't know if you're going to jail. I still don't know if you're going to jail or
It's
not.
just more, I'm trying to like have my girlfriend not think I'm going to jail, and I know she's gonna freak out the second I step back here.
You find anything at all?
I got the box and the shrink wrap that it was in, so he took it. But they're like, yeah, he walked over here and said you're trying to say I stole some cologne. He's like, but I didn't see him do anything.
Okay.
Just checked the truck. I didn't see anything. That was a guy who passed me a while ago. But then I saw him sitting there, so
Okay, so,
he could have ditched it.
yeah.
Because why else would you walk all the way over there?
Yeah, and then walk back. Yeah, I get it.
Drug plant out there somewhere.
Okay. I'm going to take him up front, get all her information, all that stuff.
I mean, it's on them. They said they saw him. You know, it's their affidavit. So
Yeah, that's it. That's it, yep. Yeah, maybe just, if you can, take a look. If you don't see it, then good. If not, then I'll go see what they want to do.
else would change? Sure, you know, people do that. Us try to change their opinion.
I don't know what's going to go on with him tonight. I'm going to go talk to the store. If the store wants him to go to jail, he's going to go to jail. I'm not going to mess with it. It just depends. I may cut him a citation, may cut him loose. But if the store wants him to go to jail, he's already on probation. He's already got a laundry list of stuff. So, I mean, so depending on what the store wants me to do is completely dependent on what happens here. So, bro, the carton and the wrapper was in the car. The carton and the wrapper that you had to that thing, it was all in the car. Okay. Okay. Well.
It was a Versace club.
Okay. Well, you just hang tight a minute and we'll go from there. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. So I got him in the back of the car. What do you want to what do you want to happen with him? You want him to
get a photo if we can.
Okay.
His information so
Okay.
we can process him.
Okay.
Hopefully he either found it in his vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
You did?
No. We didn't find
So then he
anything.
staged it somewhere.
So he's over there. The other officer's over there. And we're just kind of looking. He walked that way, and then he comes back this way. There's no reason for that. He probably threw it down over there.
That's
Plus, he
okay.
changed his shirt. I mean,
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
planning on going back to that. I would think that's why.
I mean, it's expensive cologne.
okay.
So
Well,
that's
if you work up and get a receipt going, you tell me what you want me to do. If you want me to take him to jail, I'll hook him
Well,
and take
I
him.
can
I don't care.
already tell you it's over $25, so it's instant prosecution, but it's going to be restitution. See if I can say, hey, you work with us, we're not going to trespass you. You tell us where you put it. That way, you know, and we don't have to do like a trespass
And
because you're
he's-
working with us.
And he's already on probation. So
So
I can say, let me talk to him before I bring you over to talk to him and take his picture and all that. I'll say, hey, listen, you took the stuff, own up now. Things are probably going to work out good in your favor where you ain't going to go to jail.
Well,
but you're going to have to tell us where.
You want to bring them into the office because we can get our picture in there.
Absolutely, I can do that. Yeah,
Okay,
for sure. Okay, Austin, listen to me. You're going to listen. You have to listen to me before this all goes down. Okay? The cologne that was in the car. Okay, the box that was in the car. If you work with these people, probably are not going to go to jail tonight. Okay? If you don't, they're just going to prosecute you for the whole thing. It's over $25. They're going to prosecute you. They're going to trespass you, and you're going to jail. So if you drop it somewhere over there, tell them where it's at. They got to get your picture, all that stuff. I'm going to walk you in the office in there. I'm being straight with you, telling you exactly what's going to happen.
Right.
No tricks, okay?
Yes.
Tell them where it's
I
at.
can pay for it. Like, I'll pay for it right now.
But they're not in. This right now, because it passed all the points of sale, is not even the concern of
Okay.
paying for it. Okay, they can prosecute you for it.
All right.
Okay, so you're straight with them. They're going to get your picture because you took it, right?
And be trespassing.
You may be trespassing.
And
You might not. You
that's
might.
okay. I'm
you,
okay with it.
you listen.
Yeah.
You might not be.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Come on out. So just be straight with them, and then we'll do that. All right here. So let's see here too.
All right, go ahead and take a seat for me. You got a driver's license on you?
It's all on my truck.
Okay.
I've got his info.
Okay.
I do.
All right. So here, you've probably got a lot going on,
I do.
right? So there's a few things that can happen, right? And this would have been way easier had you stopped and we processed you and you would have been on your way. These guys wouldn't have been called, right? So a bunch of stuff could have happened. My biggest thing is, we know what happened, you know what happened. Where is it now?
He's willing to work with you. He told me he's willing to do that.
Yeah.
And I'm also willing to pay for it too because I did take it out. I have the money in the truck.
So we're past that
I
point.
understand, like,
Yeah.
just the repay
Yeah.
all for it.
Yeah.
Like right now.
So I figure it was somewhere along your walk.
It's in the parking lot. I know exactly where it is.
Okay. Do you want to go ahead and let him
Yeah.
know so that they can go ahead and find it?
Yeah, that's like I can just.
I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll let them get done what they need to do, and we'll go get it.
Alright. Kills me is I have the money for it too. Like
Mostly everyone that steals has the money for it.
Yeah.
All right. Have you ever been caught by Walmart before?
Yes.
Okay. How long ago was that?
About a year and a half ago.
Okay.
Paying restitution on bill still.
All right. Camera right in front of you. Just look straight ahead. You're good. Thank you. That's all. Let's go find it. Because I mean, we've got all your information in there. We've got your information here, so we can
Okay.
find it.
Come on, let's go. How far over is it?
Over here.
What's that?
Over here. And I walk this. It's either this aisle or the other aisle.
Okay. Where'd you set it? Behind a car or something?
I just dropped it.
I think it's still there.
Hopefully.
Not under there.
No.
Is it underneath? I can't even see underneath that car. Okay. Well, somebody may have snatched it too if you set it down. So
Yeah.
is that the cap to
That's
it?
the cap to it.
And it's probably gone.
Yeah. Is there any way we can bring the cap back?
We can take the cap back. Not gonna do any good, but it ain't underneath there either. That thing's gone.
Someone did pick it up.
Yep.
Great. So I'm right here.
Okay, so now we trespass you, and he gets to do whatever he needs to do. As for prosecution.
Yep.
Someone done their job.
Yep.
I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of his probation officer and see where we go from there. All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Y'all have a good night. All right. Have a seat. $46 on 15 one time, 19 to jail. Okay, so he's going to jail today. His probation officer told me to take him to jail, so that's where he's going. There's no bond. The court date is the 8th of October.
He's going to be in jail until October.
Well, I don't know. He's got a no bond hold.
I'm sorry. I really am sorry.
All right, so we got to go.
Okay. I love you.
All right, thank you. It sucks, dude. I'm telling you, man.
It sucks even more. This is the first time she said it.
Bro, I'm going to tell you this, okay? And let me tell you this from experience, all right? I was also 19, and I decided I wanted to steal something. The difference is I stopped, okay? I'm no different than you, but you got to stop what you're doing, man. If you got something inside you that tells you don't do it, man, don't do it. Like, especially it's crazy that you got the money to pay for it, but you're going to take it. I know, and what's that cologne worth? It definitely ain't worth this right here, you know? And I'm talking to you like a man. I'm not talking to you like a kid. You know what I mean?
Like, I've been out since June 27th. I stopped doing all the drugs, like everything, including weed, and I love it. And I was probably gonna get my own girl eventually. But I've stopped all drugs.
Bro, if you got to go get involved in church or just something, I don't care what it is, it's going to help you. You need to do something to involve your time more so you don't get wrapped up in stuff like this. Because, man, I'm going to tell you right now, you're young enough right now where you could stop all this. Otherwise, you're going to be dealing with us for the rest of your life. Bro, you don't want that. If I can give you some advice, that's the way to go. Because, man, it's a long road. Just try your best to do right. Be an upstanding guy, man. Did you ever get the feeling that it was wrong?
I did. Like the whole time, I stopped like 4 or 5 times before I even left.
Bro, you know what that is? You know what they say that is? When it's your conscience, which is, if you believe in God, it's the Holy Ghost. He's talking to you, dude. He's saying, don't do this. It's not right. Because you're just a young man and you got your whole life ahead of you. 4697 to jail.
Austin Latour was arrested and charged with theft of property less than $1,000 and a probation violation. He was held with no bond. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.